I'm here on the 4-hour chart for PENGU, and I'm still tracking. Well, there are a couple of scenarios. In the white count, it's an ABC structure I'm tracking. In the yellow count, a potential 5-wave move up we're tracking. I would not rely on the yellow count. It's possible, but let's first see if we can get that next move up. Support for wave 4 is at the moment here, 2.5 cents is the level that needs to hold. There's some confluence there. There are a couple of levels that meet there at this level. And I'm currently tracking this as an A, B, C to the downside, which could get one more low before we then actually go higher. There's nothing there that tells me the low is already in. Yeah, rather we have a double bottom structure. And if we go higher from here, I think it would rather turn into a more complex corrective pattern. But as long as we're holding 2.5 cents, it can go higher. It should actually go higher for maybe one more high. And then if we talk about one more high, it should be 1 or 2 fib levels higher than the third. So we talk about 5.4 to 6.2 cents next. Maybe even if it really gets a bit hyped, 7 cents. But looking at the microstructure, the ideal targets in this pullback, we consider this as an A, B, C structure. This C wave down should take us to around about 2.5 cents to 2.8. So that there is some confluence in that, let's say in the lower section of this support zone between ideal targets for a C wave and standard support for a wave 4. And for me, as an early indication, the low is in. Yeah, I mean, minimally a break above this swing high there at 3.86 cents. Better, of course, 4.18 cents. Pressure still appears down for now, locally. But as I said, we've just forming like a double bottom there. These are not reliable reversal formations. Locally, however, it could mean that we, if it goes a bit higher, it might just reset this B wave and forms a more complex correction. But ideally, we avoid that. It's just something to watch out for. So yeah, still bullish potentially, but this correction that started here in July is likely still unfolding.